Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going? I'm opening up a bunch of new Hot Wheels. Super nice diecast cars. These all come from K-Case. Brand new K-Case I just found. Some of the cars out of the case. So let's check out what I found. I got a bunch here. Cracking them all open. Let's take a nice close look. This is the new version of the vintage twin mill. It's back, guys. It's back. The original twin mill. This might be one of the original 16, the Sweet 16 by Hot Wheels from 1968. Some were copyrighted 67 on the base. Now let's see what we have here. Copyright 2018 with a plastic base. So they redid a copyright so they can add the plastic base. Made in Malaysia, twin mill. One of the originals. Look at that. Taller tires in the back, smaller ones in the front. Really nice double spokes in chrome. The color is beautiful. It's a purple. Really nice metallic purple or plum. We do have some nice engines in there. Twin mill, 2 engines. Exhaust on the side. Little windshield with a little slight blue tint to it. We do have the orange and silver stripes heading all the way across. From the front all the way to the back here. Hot Wheels logo on the back. Wow, this is such a nice Hot Wheels right here. Look at that. This brings back that feel from the older cars, right? That nice vintage feel. Yeah, those cars are kind of hard to find. You don't see them in flea markets anymore. But hardly ever. Only once in a blue moon. Anyways, really nice car. It's been around forever, since the beginning of Hot Wheels. I love that they brought it back. Here's the card. It's really nice. It says Then and Now series. Then and Now. 2 of 10, so there's going to be 10 in the series. Then and Now. There's the back of the card. You see the K case with the letter K at the end there. K case for 2022. Cars from the past and the present. Can you collect all 5 pairs? Cool. So it's going to be the new twin mill and then the vintage twin mill and like so on and so on. That's pretty cool. And then I got the new Lightyear vehicle, whatever this is called, the Armadillo. Haven't seen the movie yet, so I don't know. Let me know. What'd you think of the Disney Pixar Lightyear movie? Is it any good? Should I go see it? New for 2022. And let's get them out. From the Screen Time series. The Armadillo. And I can see that. Yep. Armadillo with a number 2 there. It's got the Lightyear emblem right there. Here's the top view. It's a really chunky piece of equipment here. No, it's a really chunky vehicle. It looks like this sits on top of a metal base, and this part looks to be plastic. And then we have the metal. This part here is plastic, I think. Thought this was metal. This is really hard to figure out. Let me see. This feels like plastic. I think this part here is metal, and it ends right there. And where does it end here? I don't know, because this looks like oh yeah, I guess this is metal coming around here. I thought it wasn't, but this is plastic. The base is all plastic down the middle there. Front view of the Armadillo. Yeah, so let me know what you think of the movie. How did you like it? What do you give it on a scale from 1 to 10? Just wondering if I should check it out. I did love Buzz in the Toy Story movies. Great character. Super funny. Tim Allen did a great job voicing the character. Awesome. So here's the card. New for 2022. Disney Pixar Lightyear. Very, very nice. And there we go. Looks like we're gonna have a few vehicles inspired by popular movies, TV shows, video games, and more. 10 of them in total. So that's pretty cool. There he is next to the twin mill. And next up, I found the glorychaser in its new color. This is a new for 2022 model. And it's been out in 2 colors. I got the first one here, which I had found at the beginning of the year. And now they have a new color for it. Pretty cool, and really nice red. And they only had one, so I grabbed it. I saw the tampo damage, but I just didn't want to pass it up. And I'm sure I'll find another one down the line, but it's been so hard lately to find the K-Case cars, so I grabbed it. Retro Racers series. As you can see, it does have a little damage on the tampo work there. Stripe is all messed up. So this one will go into my crash and smash pile. And I'll try to find a nicer one. I like that they have the pipes back here. I love the 2 stripes. Big fat stripe down the middle. And check it out, see-through seats. That plastic is all clear. Clear windshield, no tint on it. We do have a left side drive. It is a chrome steering wheel, chrome engine. Nice 5 spokes on this one. Again, this one does have taller tires in the back. And a nice number 22 there on the oval in yellow. SF Hot Wheels logo right there on the fender. Oh man, so cool. Retro Racers series. Awesome. Now we have 2 of these different colors. Yeah, I just gotta find that in better shape. But I'm loving this one. This one's called the glorychaser. And here's the card again. As you can see, new for 2022. 7 of 10 in the Retro Racer series. This is a really cool logo for the series. I like that a lot. Very nice with the number 68 on the door. An homage to the year Hot Wheels began. Very cool. Iconic race cars from the past, always competition ready. Very nice. I love the glorychaser in red. It looks really good. And then I got the 68 Dodge Dart. This one looks like it's a carryover. I think I found this one in J case. And here it is in K case. And let's pop them out. So, yeah, I wasn't sure if I had it, and yeah, I have it. I have the K case, the J case. And I have 2, the J case and the K case version. And I'll put them side by side and pick out the worst one. Whichever one has any damage or anything funky, I'll throw him in my crash and smash and crash pile of Hot Wheels that I always have going on. Dodge Dart. Incredible looking graphics, right? Dodge on this side and Dart on this side. And this one is from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Has the letter U. You can form your name, put the cards together like that. Spell out your name, spell out your favorite sports team, your girlfriend's name, whatever you want to spell out. Very cool that they do these art cars. And here's the name of the series, Hot Wheels Art Cars, 2 of 10, so we'll get 10 of these with different letters on top. And you can join them with last year's Art Car series and whatever, just have a lot of fun with them. Pretty cool. Let's see how they look all together there. So far, I have a bunch more here to open. Oh, I'm loving all the new cars. Here's the white one that came out before the red. They issued this one in white with the blue tires, red tires in the front. And this one does have the same letter U. Very cool. So now I have 2 red ones and 2 white ones. I do have one of these in my smash and crash pile. And this one I'm trying to keep them nice and clean. Let's see if it lasts. And check it out, the Vancinator in black. I think this might be a carryover K case. For some reason, I couldn't find it, but I think I might have this one in black, or either it's green. I'm not sure, but it looks very familiar in this color for some reason. The Vancinator. I love the graphics on this one. Kind of like a checkered flag look. The Vancinator looking really cool. Does have a metal base, all metal on the base, and then plastic body, all plastic up here, plastic wing in the back. And this is all metal right here, this piece right here. Here's the back, little side view, front view, and this one does come with that special feature, I believe. There you go. Put up the spoiler so he can do the loop-de-loop or the super loop on the track, and he runs better on the track with the spoiler up, especially on the curves, so he won't get stuck. Just pop him up. There you go. Very, very nice. The Vancinator. Let's take a close look at the front. There's the door area. Back again. And the top view. The Vancinator. Wow, big tires in the back. These are the ones I call the spider webs. Wheels. Little chrome ring on the edge here. Smaller ones in the front. Same wheels though, but smaller. Very cool. The Vancinator. Let's check out the card real quick. There it is. Special feature. Beautiful car. Spoiler alert series. All these come with the spoiler that moves up and down. 2 of 5. So we're going to have 5 spoiler alert cars. And sometimes it'll turn out to be more because they might issue different colors. So next up, let's check them out. The head gasket. Look at that. I have this one in white. I have it in a metallic brown. I think that's it. I think I only have 2 of them, but here he is in a multicolor with the gray background. It's got the letter Z on top there. So this must be on Art Cars. Yeah. Hot Wheels Art Cars series. 7 of 10. That would have been a 2. You could spell U2. But it's looks like a Z. UZ or Uzi. Or U2, you want to say it's a 2? U2, I don't know. But the way they placed it, oh, it's an N. I'm sorry, guys. I thought it was a Z. It's an N. Okay, that makes sense. Un. Or new. Un or new. There you go. Mighty clever how they do these art cars. Yellow tires in the back. These wheels look beautiful when you spin them. Oops. Isn't that awesome? Small pink ones in the front. Small pink tires. Big giant red wheels. The head gasket. Copyright 2020 Mattel, made in Malaysia. R13 stamped on the base. Big plastic wing in the back. Do have a parachute back here as well. The head gasket. Clever name for this one. And here's the card. Very, very nice. Colorful art-inspired vehicles ready to paint the town. And again, this one's K-Case. And here we go. The GT Scorcher. This one was out in the Hot Wheels blue Hot Wheels Team series colors with the blue and the Hot Wheels Team paint job and tampo work and all that. This one comes from Retro Racers. Same series as the Twinnmill, I believe. Nope, as the glorychaser. There it is. The glorychaser. Very cool. So we got 2 more of this series. GT Scorcher. Does this have a moving? No. Yeah, it does. Oh, wow. Yeah, it does. Snaps in place. Got the little clip there. Special feature. I like it in this green color. There we go. A little closer. Nice. Got a number 8 on there. See all the different sponsors. Rise signature back here. Hot Wheels logo on the tail. Nice. It does have little mirrors on the side. That's funny. Beautiful color. A nice enamel green with a yellow. Very, very nice. Beautiful yellow interior. Check it out. You can see the engine. It's got a glass piece right there. Glass piece. Little antenna up here. Is that the exhaust up there? Could be. We got exhaust right here. Don't know what those are right there. Pretty interesting. All right. That looks pretty decent. Almost looks like a real life car, right? Yellow stripe around the side. Looks like different wheels in the front. Double spokes and the gray, and then 5 spokes on the back. Very, very cool. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. So let's put them all together and see what we have here so far. The Vancinator. Oh wow, have a lot of new cars here. Instant collection. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey guys, here, one of those pictures up there. I got a couple videos put on the screen. I got my name over my picture over here. If you click the picture, you can subscribe to the channel. And over here, click those videos so we can keep hanging out and talking and showing you some more cars in my collection. So you click those videos, it'll take you to another video where I'll be showing you some more cars, more Hot Wheels, or Matchbox, or whatever diecast cars, depending on the video you click on. But go for it, guys. Click on one of those videos, and we'll see some more cool cars together here, hang out a little bit. Oh man, these look so nice. Really happy to get these new cars. Very cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.